On a bright, cheerful morning, Estelle and Gabriel were playing in the kitchen and feeling a little bored. Gabriel sighed and tapped the table. Estelle peeped inside the fruit basket and gasped with delight. "Look," she said, "so many lemons. Let's make something fun." At once there was a tiny twinkle behind the basket. Out popped a glowing lemon fairy with a sparkly dress, a cheeky grin, and wings like thin glass. "Did someone say lemons?" she sang. Estelle and Gabriel stared with their mouths open. "A fairy?" they whispered. "Yes indeed," she said, twirling in the sunlight. "And today I shall teach you how to make lemonade and lemon cake, the yummiest treats in the whole wide world." First came the lemonade. The fairy waved her wand and a jug appeared on the table. "Squeeze the lemons," she said. Estelle pressed the first lemon. Squish, squish, it danced under her hands. Gabriel laughed as bright juice ran into the jug. Then came the water, with a splash, and next the sugar, which Gabriel stirred until it vanished like magic snow. Gabriel took the first sip and blinked. "It is sweet," he said, "and a tiny bit sour too." "That is the best kind," said the lemon fairy. "It wakes up your tongue." But the fairy was not finished. "Now for something extra special," she announced. Poof! A mixing bowl appeared as if it had been there all along. Flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and lemon juice lined up like brave little soldiers. Estelle mixed the butter and sugar, swish, swish, until they turned pale and fluffy. Gabriel cracked the eggs carefully. One shell bit tried to slip in, but Estelle fished it out before it could hide. Then they added the flour and lemon juice, and the bowl began to smell fresh and sunny. Carefully they poured the mixture into a tin and slid it into the oven. "Now we wait," said Gabriel, though waiting was the hardest part. The kitchen filled with the warmest, sweetest smell they had ever known. At last, ding, the oven sang. When the cake came out, it was golden and soft, like a little sunshine cloud. The lemon fairy clapped her hands. "You did it," she said proudly. "Not just because you followed the steps, but because you worked together." Estelle poured the lemonade into 2 cups. Gabriel cut the cake into neat slices. They sat side by side, taking one bite and one sip, and both smiled so wide their cheeks nearly hurt. "Lemon here, lemon there," they sang, "yummy treats to share. Stir it, mix it, bake with care, sweet and sour everywhere." The lemon fairy nodded wisely. "Today you learned that simple things can become wonderful things," she said. "And when friends cook together, even a quiet day can turn into a sparkling surprise." Then, with one final twinkle, she vanished. Estelle and Gabriel looked at the empty air, then at the crumbs on the plate, and grinned. "Same time tomorrow?" asked Gabriel. "Definitely," said Estelle. And from that day on, their kitchen was never boring again. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.